So the first thing that you guys need to do is get your materials. So if you've got to do tea or soy sauce or whatever, grab that, and you need some water and whatever you're going to use to paint with. Then you're going to draw a circle on your page and do it very lightly. If it's dark, watercolor isn't that dark, so you'll be able to see it through the page. So do it very lightly. And then the first thing that you do is when you're using watercolor, you fill in with just water the space that you want the colors to bleed into. It won't go any further than where you put water. So that helps you stay in control. First, you lay down your lightest colors and then work your way to dark. And then you can also use richer colors by not adding so much water to your paintbrush when you mix your color in the palette. Same thing with tea or coffee or soy sauce. You would just have to let it dry and add more and more layers every time and just let it dry in between. You're going to continue this process and mix colors accordingly. If you need a darker red, you would just add a little tiny bit of black to your red and mix it on a paper plate or on the tray that your watercolors came in. And you can add that as well. You can continue to go darker and darker, as dark as you like. You just have to wait for a little bit of space in between for it to dry. And then you've got your first example, and if you look at it really closely, you could see that this actually could look like a planet. So here's what mixing black and red with a tiny bit of black looks like on the page, and I barely tapped my brush into the black. I didn't even swirl it around, and that's a nice finishing touch to add some more depth.